Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Green Impact Partners channel, strategically positioned to lead the transition to a green and sustainable economy. Joining me, as always, the Chief Executive Officer, Jesse Douglas. Welcome back, sir.
Great to see you again, Kyle.
Always great to see you as well. So today I want to focus in on what I think is most prevalent behind Green Impact. And for most investors, of course, we're going to talk about those bottom line, those numbers that we're pulling out of your interim filings. And it's kind of impressive to me because, I mean, from 23.7 million in revenue to 35.3 million for this 3-month end compared to the year prior, which is just absolutely staggering growth, especially in this current economic environment. Do you want to talk a little bit about how you've been able to achieve this?
I mean, certainly we are focused on our revenue and bottom line growth. There's no doubt about that. And some of the things that you saw impacted in the last quarter really were us debottlenecking some facilities that make an environmental impact. And of course, what that does is increase the capacity on some of those facilities, so it flows through to revenue. I also think really we only turned those on in September. And so that's kind of the growth of just 1 month of getting those on and seeing it. So you'll see more of that as it flows through to December. And for us, really what we're pushing for is to turn that into bottom line numbers. And so we're seeing good results from the facility so far, and we're happy with what's happening. And our focus is going to be to continue to improve those results, improve their environmental impact, and keep building the additional facilities we have, which make really, really big impacts to our bottom line over the next couple of years.
Yeah, okay. So you're speaking more about kind of some of the current production that you have going on. Do you want to talk a little bit more about what you're kind of expecting for 2022? Aside from that, what kind of growth and, what kind of part of Green Impact you're going to be more focused on strategically to hopefully give us some guidance there?
I think in 2022, I mean, I know in 2022, you should expect to see some big things from us. We've got a couple of facilities that we're going to bring to market and sell minority stakes in. We're working with some parties there, and what that does is it kind of improves our cash position even further and allows us to continue the growth in our development cycle. And with all the developments, we've got nearly $2 billion that we want to start construction on here by the end of 2023. And we need some cash to do that. And we want to do it in a non-dilutive way, especially when we consider that we think our stock is under trading by I know it sounds crazy, but we think it's 10 plus times that it's under trading by. So there's just no way we can reasonably justify raising any money in the public markets today, but we do have great access to cash through our facilities, through our partnerships, and through what's there. And so, for us to raise $500 million to continue that development pipeline, we think is actually going to be quite easy. And you should see that through 2022 that happen, that cash hit the balance sheet, and continue developments with there. And through 2023, you probably see 5 times more hit the bottom line.
So yeah, lots to look forward to as you kind of looking forward to expanding those margins. But I also want to reiterate the fact too that it's kind of impressive considering for that quarter when you're generating 35 million, and just for the quarter, right? I mean, you're only trading off 3 times your market cap from a revenue standpoint, which is kind of incredible from a valuation standpoint. But on that note, I really appreciate your time and just giving us some insights today, Jesse. Thank you.
Thank you, Kyle. Have a great day.
You too. And on that note, stay cool, stay awesome, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.